In a tiny shop hidden between two tall buildings, a girl named Mira repaired broken clocks. Big clocks, tiny clocks, pocket watches older than her grandfather. But there was one strange rule inside her shop. She never repaired clocks for free. Not because she wanted money. Instead, she asked every customer for a memory. A happy one, she would say. Some people smiled while sharing. Others cried. A baker spoke about dancing with his wife in the kitchen. A soldier remembered hearing his daughter laugh for the first time. An old teacher described the day her students surprised her with flowers. Mira listened carefully while fixing each clock. Then she wrote every memory into a small blue notebook after the customer left. One winter evening, a man entered carrying a shattered clock. "I don't have money," he admitted quietly. "That's all right," Mira said. "Just give me a happy memory." The man lowered his eyes. "I can't remember one." The shop became silent. Mira looked at him for a moment, then gently handed him a tiny, unfinished clock from her desk. "Come back tomorrow," she said. The next day, the man returned. Still no memory. Mira adjusted another tiny gear and sent him away again. This continued for weeks. Every day, the man returned. Every day, he tried to remember happiness. Then, one snowy evening, he suddenly smiled. "When I was little," he whispered, "my mother used to carry me home when I pretended to fall asleep." Mira smiled warmly. "There it is." The man laughed softly for the first time in years. Before leaving, he asked, "Why do you collect memories?" Mira looked around at the ticking clocks covering the walls. "Because people think time heals them," she said. "But sometimes remembering does." People don't only need time to heal. Sometimes they need to reconnect with the good they forgot still existed.